Hi friend, good afternoon, good morning. Don't forget we are in AK100 engineering. Today I want to show you that how we want to remove yeah. So today I want to show you that we remove the IC chip in the Lambo new model Core i5. So my brother, if you watch here, we have a problem of IC problem. Uh, we are using the charger 19 voltage. The charger was failing, damage the funnel. This IC the main important of the mistake. No need, no need to use your meter, but already your 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 computer was showing that the IC was failing. My brother, if you look here, you see the IC dump on, and then the other place the IC on. So today you are in AAK 100 engineering. I want to show you that how you want to remove the IC and to replace the IC. If you want to subscribe, if you want to more and more information, subscribe my channel at YouTube. Writing the Arewa Computers, subscribe my channel. So my brother, if you look this ball with this damaged box, no need use